The Clarendon police are probing whether the killing of a man in Buckner district in Maypen on Friday night has anything to do with the case he has before the courts. Shandy Grant, a 19-year-old mason from Sevens Road in the parish, was shot to death while he was waiting at a car wash. Grant, who was well known to the police, was before the court accused of having sex with a minor and had been reporting to the authorities as a condition of bail. Reports are that around 10:27 p.m., Grant was at the car wash when he was pounced upon by men armed with guns. Police said the men shot him several times. He reportedly died on the spot and the gunmen fled the area. Residents summoned the police, who found Grant's lifeless body lying on his back in a pool of blood, with what appeared to be gunshot wounds to his face, right knee, and the lower part of his right arm. Grant's body was removed to the Maypen Hospital, where it was confirmed dead. Police said while they do not have a clear motive, they are investigating if Grant's killing was linked to the matter he had before the courts. A 62-year-old United States resident was abducted from Portmore, St. Catherine, robbed, stabbed, and left for dead in Clarendon on Thursday. The woman, who is from Connecticut in the U.S. but also has a residence in Jamaica, arrived on the island on Wednesday. She has been admitted to the hospital. Police have since named a woman known only as Tamika Miles as a person of interest in connection with the incident. Miles is being asked to turn herself over to the police as soon as possible. Reports reaching Observer Online are that the woman was visiting the island to make funeral arrangements for her sister, who died recently. She was reportedly staying with a relative in Portmore. Police said around 10:30 a.m. on Thursday, she met with a lady known to her as Tamika Miles at the Portmore Mall. The lady reportedly came to pick her up in a white motorcar with two men. After entering the vehicle and driving a short distance, the men attacked the woman, the police said. She was reportedly robbed of her handbag containing her personal belongings, stabbed several times, taken to Ginger Ridge, Clarendon, and thrown from the motorcar into a precipice. Residents of the community went to the woman's assistance after they heard her crying for help, and observed her crawling out of the precipice bloodied and with her clothes torn. The residents summoned the police, who arrived and saw the badly injured woman with what appeared to be stab wounds on her chest. Lawmen subsequently assisted her to hospital, where she was admitted in serious but stable condition.